Hello kids, we have made the team of the students yesterday and I had said you to write down the points for which you fight with each other. One selected group will get opportunity to say the points. Now the points are playing reason, lost and found, friends, study reasons. For these reasons you fight with each other. Today we are going for story. Students, this is one short story of little girl and the people. The name of the chapter is Little Girls Are Wiser Than Old People. It was an early Easter. In the yards lay snow and rills ran down the village. A large puddle had run down from a manure pile into a lane between two farms. And at this puddle, two girls, one older than the other, had met. Both of them had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. Little girl had blue dress and elder girl had yellow dress. Both had their heads wrapped in the red handkerchiefs you can see in the image. There were two girls and they had dressed very well by their mother and they went near the puddle. After prayers in the church, the two girls went to the puddle where they showed their new garments to each other. They showed their clothes to each other and they started to play. They wanted to splash in the water. What is the meaning of splash? They wanted to play in water. The little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on. But the older girl said to her, "Don't go, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and you do the same." Then the girl took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and walked through the puddle toward each other. Malasha stepped in up to her ankles and said, "It is deep. Akulka, I am afraid." Actually, in the puddle, the water was deep. And so that she said, "It is deep." She replied, "Never mind, it will not be any deeper. Come straight towards me." And then the another girl was also started to go inside that puddle. They came closer to each other. Akulka said, "Malasha, do not splash up the water on my dress." She had barely said that when Malasha pumped her foot into water. Actually, Akulka's was new dress, and not her dress only, but also her nose, her eyes. When Akulka saw the spots on her new dress due to the Malasha, she grew angry at Malasha and scolded her and ran after her and wanted to strike her. Malasha was frightened and seeing what trouble she had caused, jumped out of the puddle and ran at home. Akulka's mother passed by. She saw her daughter's dress be spattered and spoiled. Where where accursed one, did you get yourself so dirty? She scolded her. She scolded Akulka. "Malasha has purposely splashed it on me," Akulka said. Akulka's mother grasped Malasha and gave her a knock on the nape of her neck. Malasha began to howl. Howl means crying in very big sound. And her mother ran out of the house. Why do you strike my daughter?" She began to scold her neighbor. One word brought back another, and the women began to quarrel. The men too ran, and a big crowd gathered in the street. All were crying, and nobody could hear his neighbor. They scolded and cursed each other. They were fighting with each other. They were quarreling with each other. One man gave another man a push, and a fight began. When Akulka's grandmother came, she stepped in the midst of the peasants and began to talk to them. "What are you doing, dear ones? Consider the holiday. This is a time for rejoicing. This is really a holy day. And see what sin you are doing. Holy means pavitra. And sin means pap. You are a sin. They paid no attention to grandma, old woman, and almost knocked her off her feet. She would never have stopped them if it had not been for Akulka and Malasha. While the women exchanged words, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle in the lane. She picked up a pebble and began to scratch the ground so as to let the water off into the street. While she was scratching, Malasha came and began to help her. She picked up a chip and widened the reel. Thus, again, both little girls started to play. Here, people were quarreling with each other, but little girls were playing with each other. And Akulka shouted, "Look out, Malasha, look out!" Malasha also wanted to say something herself, but could not speak for laughter. The girls were running and laughing at a chip which was bobbing up and round the reel. They ran straight into the crowd of the peasants. The old woman saw the girls were playing and said to the peasants, "Shame on you before God, men. You have started fighting on account of these two girls, and they have long ago forgotten it. Dear children have been playing nicely together with each other. They are wiser than you." The men looked at the girls and they felt ashamed. Then they laughed at themselves and scattered to their farms. पहा मुलींनो, मी तुम्हाला आता याचा मराठीमध्ये अर्थ सांगते. या सर्व गोष्टीमध्ये आपल्याला असं आढळून येतं, अकुल्का आणि मलाशा नावाच्या दोन मुली होत्या. ईस्टरच्या दिवशी चर्चमधली प्रेयर संपल्यानंतर त्या दोघी पडलमध्ये, म्हणजे जिथं ओढा असतो, ओढा किंवा नदी, दोन शेतांच्या मध्ये असलेल्या पडलमध्ये ते काय करतात, खेळायला जातात. त्या ओढ्यामध्ये खेळता खेळता दोघी एकमेकींच्या अंगावर चिखल उडवतात. आणि मग नवीन ड्रेस असल्यामुळे एका मुलीची आई तिला ओरडायला लागते की इतकं नवीन ड्रेस मी तुला घातलेला असताना तू किती बरं घाण केलेला आहेस. मग ती दुसऱ्या मुलीचं नाव घेते आणि त्या दोघींचं भांडण लक्षात घेत त्या दोन्ही मुलींच्या आईसुद्धा त्या भांडणात उतरतात. त्या दोघीची आई म्हणजे त्या दोन्ही मुलींच्या आई एकमेकांशी भांडायला लागतात आणि त्या भांडणात माणसं देखील उतरतात आणि मग खूपच गर्दी जमते. सर्वांची भांडणं व्हायला लागतात. त्या मुलींची आजी मध्ये येते. ती समजावून सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करते, पण मोठी माणसं एकमेकांना फायटिंग करत असतात, रागावत असतात, एकमेकांवर ओरडत असतात, शिव्या शाप देत असतात. आजी म्हणते की हा तर पवित्र दिवस आहे, असं पाप तुम्ही करू नका, भांडू नका. पण तिचं कोणीच ऐकून घेण्याच्या मनस्थितीत नसतं आणि इकडे त्या मुली कपडे बदलून पुन्हा एकमेकींशी खेळायला लागतात. थोड्याच वेळात ते आपलं भांडण विसरून जातात आणि खेळता खेळता हसता हसता त्या गर्दीच्या मध्ये म्हणजे त्या भांडणाच्या मध्ये येऊन त्या खेळायला लागतात. त्यावेळी त्या आजी म्हणते की खरंच या दोन छोट्या मुली तुमच्यापेक्षा सुद्धा वाईज आहेत, म्हणजेच हुशार आहेत, अशी ही गोष्ट आहे. तर यावरून आपल्याला अर्थबोध इतकाच होतो की लहान मुलांच्या भांडणात सहसा मोठ्यांनी पडू नये किंवा इंटरफिअर करू नये. स्टुडंट्स, डू यू लाईक द स्टोरी? नाउ आय विल गिव्ह यू होमवर्क. राईट डाऊन the 10 reasons for which you fight with your friends. Okay, write down and show it to your teacher or your parents. Okay student, see you in the next session. Bye bye.